Ciumia-inĩ thutha wa ndũgamano gatagati ka thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi na kambuni ya thitima ya Kenya Power gũcũngĩrĩria kũrengwo kwa motungata ma kaunti ũndũ ũmwe na gũitwo kwa gĩko nyũmba-inĩ ya Stima Plaza. Gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nĩ akinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya Senate igii hinya ũrĩa tuhuthiraga gũtarĩria harĩa makinyĩtie gũtuithania ndũgamano ĩno.
The outcome of our final meeting was that myself and Waziri Opiyo Wandayi agree on a framework through which we can resolve what is owed to each other. If we don't agree, because they almost put it as a matter of fact that they don't owe us these charges which are owed to us by law, then the other ways, legal ways of getting what is owed to the people of Nairobi and what is owed to the county.
Kuringana na Sakaja gĩikaro kĩrĩa macabanirie gĩa kũnina ndũgamano ĩno na gĩgĩtongorio nĩ mũnene wa aruti wĩra mũingĩ Felix Kosgei gĩakinyanĩirie Gavana Sakaja na minista wa hinya ũrĩa tuhuthiraga Opiyo Wandayi gũtongoria mĩhang'o ĩno ya gwetha kĩhonia gĩa gũtũũra, ũndũ ũrĩa augĩte marĩ mũbango-inĩ wa gũkinyanĩria.
There was a consensus that we would all fulfill our financial obligations, and we said that then they must fulfill their financial obligations towards the county government. The financial obligations are wayleave fees, contribution in lieu of rates, which is CILO, water bills owed to the county government, parking charges for their vehicles that are parked, all over, so that there is equitable financial accountability across all levels of government.
Iguru rĩo Sakaja nĩ ekorire haceke thutha wa kuhithuria atĩ maiguithanĩirie kũrĩhaga Kenya Power muigana wa ciringi mirioni 110 o mweri nĩguo kunyihia thiiri ũrĩa marĩ naguo wa thitima matarĩ na ngirimiti o yothe mekiranĩire kĩrori ũndũ ũrĩa waya gũcũngĩrĩria kũra gwa kĩgĩna kĩa mũingĩ wa Nairobi.
There was no agreement.
No. It was not a written, signed, executed agreement. We just said we'll be paying 50 of the past, and the current bill comes to around 60. There are minutes of the meeting. That what you have is the minutes, of that discussion.
Mr. Chairman, I think this is becoming like a joke, Governor.
Yeah.
You were prudent enough to sign it.
Yes.
And yet it doesn't go into the sort of details that you are now telling us. The expectation on our end would be that after those agreements are reached, then you reduce it into writing like this so that nobody can run away from the provisions of the document.
If I put in writing and sign that I must pay you 60, the day I pay you 50, I'm exposing myself. Because there are months which, look, we're sitting in the Senate. The last time counties got money is January. How would I pay February and March? And then you want me to have signed that I must pay that, surely.
Governor,
that's exposing the county government.
It's not about exposing.
Agĩtetera Sakaja augĩte etĩkĩranĩirie na ngirimiti ĩno nĩguo kũhotithia ũcokia wa motungata ma mũingĩ wa wabici-inĩ cia kaunti kuona nĩ marengeirwo thitima. Ĩndĩ ti ũndũ marĩ na mũku wĩgiĩ thiirĩ ũrĩa Kenya Power ĩrĩ naguo wa kaunti ya Nairobi ũkĩringithanio na thiirĩ wao.
If they owed you more than you owed them, why would you have entered into an agreement to pay them?
It was under duress because they first switch you off and they'll tell you there was a debt 10 years ago and whatnot. They say, okay, let's first get the institution running so that you can also recognize what we feel very strongly that you owe us.
There is
Ngirivotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.